Hello everyone, if you're facing this error in Battlefield 6, error code 185009S, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that annoying error on your Battlefield 6. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu and you're going to write here network connections. You're going to go into it, you're going to select your network here, so Ethernet for me, and then you're going to go into change settings of this connection here, and then you're going to go into Internet Protocol version 4, IPv4, go into properties, click use the following DNS server addresses, and here you need to write 8.8.8.8 and then 8.8.4.4. Press OK, close this menu up, and now what you're going to do is you're going to disable your internet connection first, and then you're going to wait 5 to 10 seconds. And after you're done waiting 5 to 10 seconds, you're going to enable the connection, wait for it to connect. And once it's done connecting, now you can go ahead and play your Battlefield 6 and you'll see that you won't get that error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.